Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a PGmoon, and it is a bag for my drone. So I have my DJI Mavic Mini drone, and this is supposed to be to fit it. So it's got like a little sling bag, so it has that. And then we open it up, and it's gonna open up fully, and I should be able to fit my drone and everything else in here. So let's see, how's it go? It opens up here too. So these all open up. Lots of different pouches and setting places to put stuff, so I guess my drone can go in one of these areas, and then the batteries and all that stuff can go into another area in here maybe. So let's give it a shot and see what we can fit in there, because I do use this sometimes, but let's see if we can fit it in there so make it easier to carry around places, so I don't have to have it just in my hand. So let's see what we got. So we have the remote. Let's see the remote. Maybe stick it up in here. There's a lot of space for that. And then I don't know what this is here. I think it's the extra, I'll aim you down here. It's the extra propellers and stuff that can go in there too. And then the batteries in there as well. Probably batteries go underneath here. So whatever, we got all our batteries and our remote and everything there. Zip that one up. And then we can put our drone over in this one here. And it's got a little separator here, so I could separate it and make it probably go this way. And that'll kind of even give it more structure, so my drone can be there. I don't have enough stuff in here. There's that. Oh, the little plastic thing for the drone came off. But wow, look at this. So okay, so I've got my drone in there and all my stuff in this here. And I have, so everything's out of this, everything's in here, and I still have more spaces for stuff. I can put SD cards, I can put other things in there too. And so I can zip this sucker up here. And I like these handles too, and it's got little pockets up front. Man, it's got everything. So like that, and now I have everything for my drone in here, and I can just dump this. I don't need this anymore. So how cool, nice little container for it. Definitely the way to go to carry it around. Less, it's definitely an easier way to carry it. I guess, it is a little squishy, so it's not going to protect it quite as much. I guess you could wrap it or something if you want to. But I like this. I like this backpack totally. So thumbs up for sure.